Get up, meaning to rise from bed or to stand up. Example 1. I usually get up at 7 a.m. every morning. She got up to answer the door when the bell rang. Get over, meaning to recover from something, illness, shock, etc. Example 1. It took him weeks to get over the flu. She finally got over the breakup and moved on. Get along with, meaning to have a good relationship with someone. Example 1. I get along well with my coworkers. Do you get along with your neighbors? Get by, meaning to manage to live or survive, especially with limited resources. Example 1. He doesn't earn much, but he gets by. We'll have to get by on less money this month. Get away, meaning to escape or leave. Example 1. The thief managed to get away before the police arrived. We're planning to get away for a few days in the countryside. Get back, meaning to return to a place or position. Example 1. What time did you get back from the party last night? I'll get back to work after lunch. Get in, meaning to enter a place, vehicle, or building. Example 1. What time did you get in last night? He got in the car and drove away. Get into, meaning to become involved in something, e.g., trouble, a field of study. Example 1. She got into trouble for skipping school. I got into photography after college. Get out, meaning to leave or escape from a place. Example 1. We need to get out of the house more often. The fire alarm rang and everyone got out safely. Get off, meaning to leave a vehicle, especially a bus or a train. Example 1. She got off the bus at the wrong stop. We'll get off at the next station. Get on, meaning to board a vehicle or continue doing something. Example 1. He got on the train just in time. Let's get on with the meeting. Get over with, meaning to finish something unpleasant quickly. Example 1. I want to get this presentation over with. Let's get the cleaning over with so we can relax. Get across. Meaning, to communicate or make something understood. Example 1. She got her point across clearly. It's important to get the safety message across to everyone. Get away with. Meaning, to escape punishment for something. Example 1. The student got away with cheating on the test. Don't let them get away with that behavior. Get back at. Meaning, to take revenge on someone. Example 1. He's planning to get back at his friend for the prank. She got back at her brother by playing a joke on him. Get together. Meaning, to meet or gather with others. Example 1. Let's get together for lunch sometime. We're planning to get together with old friends next weekend. Get rid of. Meaning, to eliminate or dispose of something. Example 1. I need to get rid of these old clothes. They finally got rid of the broken furniture. Get through. Meaning, to finish something or to endure a difficult situation. Example 1. She got through the exam without any problems. We'll get through this tough time together. Get ahead. Meaning, to make progress or succeed in something. Example 1. He worked hard to get ahead in his career. To get ahead in life, you need to set clear goals. Get around. Meaning, to move from place to place or to avoid a problem. Example 1. How do you get around the city without a car? She found a way to get around the issue with her boss.